experimental determination of coefficient of static friction by inclined plane method. We know that coefficient of static friction mu s is defined as the ratio of maximum value of static frictional force to the normal reaction. Now suppose this is the surface on which a block is kept. We have to find out the coefficient of static friction between these two surfaces, that is the bottom surface of this block and the surface over which this block is kept. Now let us incline this surface gradually till the block comes in such a position when it about to start moving. Say suppose when this surface is inclined at an angle theta, the block comes in such a position that if we increase by a very small angle, then the block will start moving. It means that at this stage the opposition force which is keeping the block stick on the surface of this is maximum. So let us consider the force act on this block in this position. So here the weight of this block will act along vertically downward direction, that is m into g. Second, the normal reaction of this surface will act along vertically perpendicular to this surface. Now the frictional force, that is the maximum value of frictional force, will act along opposite to the direction of tentative motion, that is Fs will act along this direction. Now if this is theta, this is 90 degree, then we can resolve this mg, the weight of this block, into two components. One is parallel to the surface, so this is 90 degrees, so this will be 90 minus theta. So the component along the parallel to the surface is mg cos 90 minus theta, that is mg sin theta, and the component which balances the reaction of this block is this angle, that is theta, mg cos theta. So therefore at equilibrium position the maximum value of static frictional force is balanced by mg sin theta, and the weight of the block, that is the normal reaction, is equal to mg cos theta. So from this equation mu s is mg sin theta by mg cos theta. So that is tangent of this angle of inclination will give the value of mu s. So experimentally, when we inclined this surface gradually, the angle when the block is about to move, this angle is called, the tangent of this angle is coefficient of static friction.